this week's vlog. Good morning. It's currently Sunday. I am seeing Kim Kpop from SHINee today. So honest with you, I need to leave my house in 1 hour. I am feeling so extremely unmotivated to look nice. I'm so excited to see Key and like ready to go to a concert. I'm going to a concert in like a minute. By a minute, I probably mean like maybe like 3 weeks. I don't know. But I just have zero motivation to look nice. It took me so much to get out of bed and shower this morning. I just finally put my earrings back in because I take them out for soccer games here. But yeah, I have no motivation to do my hair, to do my makeup, to look even that remotely nice. So we're gonna try and pull this together in 1 hour. Exciting week, concert today. I might go to soccer practice Wednesday night, and then Thursday, my dad arrives. So in this vlog, I'll be preparing a lot for him to come. I need to order a blow-up mattress for him. I need to order a bunch of food and snacks for him. I just need to prepare for my father to come to Korea, which is a crazy thing to say, but I'm so incredibly excited for him to come. Just want it to be the best time ever for him and for me, and for us to have a fun time together. Anyways, I actually do need to get ready now, so let's put makeup on. Guys, I've left my house, as you can tell. I am rushing because I'm running a little bit late. I also need to stop by the bank really fast to deposit some cash at the ATM. And then we'll be on our way to Key. Look that nice. And then Holden sent me a picture of her outfit and she was very grunge. And I was like, you know what? I can be grunge. Let me match that. You're right. I'm like, this is Key from SHINee. What are we doing? We need to step out and kill it. Okay guys, I'm finally off the train. You know, one of the things I'm gonna miss, honestly, is this particular train station. I feel like I've been here so much for concerts. Like, this train station is like nostalgia for me. I don't remember what I did in it. We just like looked awkward. Okay. Well, I was like, is that close? Okay guys, ticket has been secured. Okay guys, ticket has been secured. I have purse, I have ticket. So cute, the little flag of Dominican. I want the water though. Water. My life here. Cute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So cute. New concert photo idea. 0.5 from behind. So cute. 3:16. Key comes on at 4. In case y'all don't know, concerts. I hate this. Don't look at me like that. Concerts here and Sunday. Listen, I'm trying. Vlogging like this is new for me, okay? You just cute. It's cute. I like it. Concerts here on Sundays. They usually start at 4 p.m., which I love because I need sleep. I'm old now. We're old now. We can't stay up late like that. The side-eye judgment in the screen. I'm old. I feel old. Everyone else can stay up late but me, apparently. Going down tonight. Ready? Confetti is scented. Smells like lavender. You guys, concert is over. Going home now. I need food. ASAP. Okay, it's currently Tuesday night. I just finished eating dinner. What time is it? 8:17 p.m. and my father comes to Korea on Thursday, literally in 2 days. When I'm getting off work on Thursday, he will be getting to my house basically. So I need to prepare things. I made a massive order today on Kpop. I got a bed for him to sleep on, a really nice blow-up mattress, and then I ordered a bunch of his favorite like snacks, foods and things. I need to get my apartment ready. Like I want to do some of it tonight and then obviously like the rest tomorrow night. So like my whole little vanity set up, everything over here, I think I'm gonna move all of that upstairs because I have a vanity area up here. Let me show you. Let's go up and see. So in this little corner space over here, there's a vanity thing. And I used to have my vanity up here, but I just realized, well, during summer, it was really hot up here. So I was like, I hated doing my makeup up here, but now that's coming back to winter, I might like it because it is really cozy. And then it would free up this desk space for me. I've considered getting a TV to put there, but honestly just don't know. I'm not sad, and I feel like when I have a TV, then I watch more TV. Not that I don't watch on my laptop. You guys know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know when you start rearranging things and then you're like, I need to change everything? That's where I'm at right now. That's where I'm at. Like, why am I moving this over here instead of over there? I don't know what I'm doing. Now I'm like, should I move my plants over there? Because I don't need that much sunlight. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. This is turning into a bigger project than I was anticipating. The plants can't go over here because they need like more space. What am I gonna do? I need to move back. I think I need to go back over here. Okay, I think what's gonna have to happen is the plants are gonna have to go back over here. This mirror is gonna need to move over here because I wanna move this couch up some. Okay, let's do that. Let's do plants first. Okay. Guys, do I need to get plants lining my whole staircase? Is that a vibe? Wait. Y'all, this is too much. This is too much. Okay. You guys, I've been deep six cleaning, literally to the point where I was like cleaning the filter on my vacuum cleaner. I'm just in like a deep six cleaning zone, you know what I mean? But honestly, it's good because not spring cleaning, but we need a little fall cleaning. Yeah, I just vacuumed the whole upstairs area and downstairs area, except for like obviously over there where I need to take trash and like finish doing laundry. But now I'm about to do, oh my gosh, Taman just messaged me on Bubble. Let's see what he said. Oh, it's just a little video of his cat. Let's watch it. Takes forever to load. Wow, revolutionary video. Anyways, yeah, I'm about to do the lights right now that are up there and put them on this staircase. So let's do that. Oh my gosh. I have to tape it. Where's my tape? Cute! Wait, can you even? Okay, maybe with this lid on you can tell more. But look how cute it is. We have lights over here. It looks so much better in person, obviously, than through camera. We have lights over here, and then the whole staircase is lit. It's actually a very nice little ambiance. But I do want to get another lamp for my desk area just to create more ambiance, but it's so cute. I have made an immense amount of progress. I got like blankets, pillowcase covers already washed over here. I have another blanket that's washing, and I'm gonna wash one more blanket, and I'm gonna wash my bathroom mat. But I went deep six on cleaning. I fully went in on cleaning my vacuum cleaner. It was kind of crazy. My shower drain, I literally was cleaning like you know the top part of the toilet, like this part here. I literally was like lifting up and like cleaning under this. I was cleaning and my vent, where can you see it, up here on the ceiling. I need to order a new like shower filter thing, which I'm gonna do that in just a minute. But I would like deep six cleaning everything. I just organized all of my trash, so I just need to take that out now. But yeah, everything is like, lighting, where'd you go? But yeah, everything is like deep six cleaning, but it's the best feeling. I don't know, when your parents are coming, especially because I live like more than ever, I just want it to be really nice and show how nicely I'm living, especially because I live overseas, and I know it's like, sometimes I still even feel like, oh my God, I'm living overseas. This is crazy. But you know, it's a 14-hour plane ride away from my hometown. And then like, even once I get on the plane, it's still like another 2.5 hours to my house in America. So it's like, I don't know, I show my parents to know I'm doing good over here. And by doing good, I have a really nice, clean apartment. All right, you guys, it's almost 7:30 in the morning, but my packages got delivered. I leave my house by like 8:15 to get to work, so I have like 45 minutes to get ready and unpack all of these things that I ordered, so let's go. Okay, everything is put away. I also got some little packs of like nuts and then like 2 different kinds of cereal for my dad. Inside the fridge, we have milks, apples, yogurts, bananas, all of my dad's favorite snacks. It's so funny because I don't have like any real food in here because I don't cook, but it's just snacks now, which is so funny. It's very on brand for me. Anyways, I need to get ready for work because I've got to leave in like 15 minutes, so I need to change. So it's the next night and I've started, actually no, it's the same morning. What am I doing? This morning, I last saw you guys, I was putting food and things away. It was the morning, now it's the evening. I just started setting up the mattress and everything. My dad's gonna sleep on the bullet mattress. I ordered a double. I don't know what size I thought a double was. I should have got the single, but she's huge, literally huge, which is great for my dad. Love that for him. For me, I'm like, oh wow, this is hilarious. The only thing is I have like clothes and stuff in the cabinets over here, like skirts and things. So here's the thing, I could try and rearrange my apartment. I just don't know how else I would rearrange it, that it would make sense that there's still a pathway and stuff is like out of the way. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do is just take out my skirts or whatever pants or things I think I'm gonna need from over there, and just kind of put them upstairs for the next 10 days and leave it at that, because this is funny, but actually it's super comfortable. Like low-key, I could honestly sleep on this every single night. What if I sleep on this every single night? Because I just have 2 like thin mattress toppers on top of each other right now. I never got like a proper mattress, and this is kind of nice. And I put a mattress topper on top of it. Is it bad to sleep on something like this forever? For like a few months? I don't know, maybe to kill my back, but can't be any worse than what it is now. But this is just, yeah, update for y'all. I'm about to put sheets on it. Hopefully my sheets I bought fit. Oh gosh, okay, let's get into this. Things are as clean as they're ever gonna get. Finish the little bed area for my dad. Let me show you kind of an overview point. Let me get up to the stairs, hold on. The overview point, so everything is actually really very, very clean downstairs. I cleaned up here. Let me turn this light on, you can't even see. I cleaned up here. I had to move Taman up here because I didn't need Taman staring at my dad while he slept every single night. But yeah, everything up here is very cute. I took some of those clothes from that like cabinet down below, just put them up here in case I need them. yeah, everything here is just clean. Bed for my dad. I also did change a couple of things in the bathroom. Bathroom's super clean, but I did change out this little shower thing just to a pink one. I don't know, it was just so cute. I found it online, so, and I got my dad a little loofah. How fun. Yeah, all his snacks and things. I'm still waiting on some stuff to come in, but you know, that's a tomorrow situation, not a today. So, yeah, can't wait for my dad to arrive. Ah! Okay.